Oasis nigo abana bagenderete konyora mariogo batari gwakanira hasi nyagitari eyo amege nyagitari kurigereria na Kenya kubakonya abana kubaregera chikiro cyabo na kumanya Bible na kubenta gukinia abana bo no muri keito Purity Nyamusi agotumanya
Enyagitari ya Oasis nebwate omoroberio bokoringoria abana amarwaire ewikeye engima. Ase abanyagitari babana baganere abaibori abo babwate abana inseye miaka 12 kubaira gochekigwa amarwaire au na kwegwa amariogo yogoita ebyanda bosa biragwa kana chibesa.
Tubwate program y'abana tutaita abana bacu nyagitari tubarigereri tusikirene kwa yasne sanjyo nembe y'abakina conditions in the church tiribaratware osanjyo bato mwananga lakini otaramanyana n'abato bokomugo na endento bwate oborwero bobi ebyanda tutagete tokonya abana tuwate free deworming tokubamaria ko yakonya bokomugo bebyanda.
Catherine Oyore omonyagitari bwabana nigo boigo ateba buna abaibori barete abana babo baringorigwe keboikeranu erio barwarigwe.
Intona basabira nyamwata abana bana bamere bori ke batari kwa school barete nyagitari te basabye free deworming tirato basesi para usembia kako kina ebya ababa ketarose ensira yabo yo kina nendonge na tubashughulikire kuna turanyora bokomundi bose baratwa.
Chinga kiecho Mudi Oyore omonyagitari bwabana nigo ateba barigo cheki abana bari barwarete bwoka nigo boigo bakoboria nonye bari batarwareti kubwatia buna bagokina. Omoroberio oyo nigo ochagete rituko ria Jumatatu na noere rituko ria Ichuma.
This is the Mother and Child Clinic, the consultants room. And so today, part of and the whole of this week, we are having our pediatric wellness check at Oasis Specialist Hospital, and it has been running from the 21st of March, and it will continue up to the 27th of March. That is the entire week. And so what we are doing free consultation. We're giving nutritional advice, we're doing growth monitoring, we're looking at the development of children who are not necessarily presenting with illness. In addition to this, we're also doing appropriate laboratory tests and linking the children with specific subspecialties in pediatrics within Oasis and beyond.
Koripoteria korwa Oasis county ya Kisii erietariane Purity Nyamusi.